Hello everyone, welcome back again to PPT Template channel. In this channel you can learn all about tutorials and download designs using PowerPoint. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe PPT Template channel. In this video, I will show how to add a video in PowerPoint. Let's start. How to embed a YouTube video. Select tab Insert. Click Video and select Online Video. Select the video. Here we make my video about the CV. Click Share and copy the link. Paste the link in pop-up column and click Insert. Setting position video in slides. How to insert a video. Select tab Insert. Click Video and select Video on Media. Browsing your PC and select the video file. Click Insert and Setting Position Video in Slides. How to edit a video. Make Video Format tab. Select Videos and select a design. How to edit a video. Playback tab. Select Videos and select Playback. You can add a bookmark, trim the video, insert a caption, set volume and other about setting video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to learn new updated videos about PowerPoint tutorials from PPT Template channel. Thanks for watching.